Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I got a super awesome product I want to talk to you about. And I don't know if you've heard me mention before in my Can-Am X3 review video about having an extra key made, because when you buy these machines they only come with one key. To get another key made, you got to take it back to the dealership and have it programmed, so it's kind of just a big hassle. And what I want to talk to you about today is an app that you can simply copy your key, and you can have a key sent to your house for your ride, and you don't have to go anywhere. We'll go into a little more detail on how this process works for obtaining an extra key. Also, I'll go over the app that you need to download to do this. So what this is called the Dooplicator. That's the title of the app, and I'll show you guys here. I'll kind of put a video up of me going through and downloading the app. So this works for Android and iOS. Just go to your app store, just type in Dooplicator, and I'll pull it up here. You'll see what it looks like. The app is free. The app don't cost a thing. Go ahead and get your app downloaded. Once you got that done, you're going to scan your key. You'll see in the app it'll ask you to scan, and all you do is touch your key to the back of your phone, and once you do that, that creates a free digital backup of your key. So if you wanted to stop there, then at any point in time you would have a free digital backup of your key. You don't have to order it. You would just have it saved on the app. That way if something happened, you lost your key, then you could go to the app and be like, hey, I need to order a key now because I've lost my key. That's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. I called the local dealership here, and so I asked them how much would it cost if, say, I lost a key to my side-by-side and I had to get a new key made. So first off, they said they couldn't do anything unless the side-by-side was at their shop. So you'd have to load it up, take it there. If you didn't have a key, I'm sure that would be a big inconvenience. And then next, they would have to program a key. So basically what they told me is they would charge an hour of service, which was $68, and then $48 for the key fob. So you're looking at about $112, and plus a lot of heartache to get a key for your side-by-side if you lose it. And basically the same thing for if you already have a key and you want another key made, then you're looking at about $112, plus you have to take your ride over to them to get that program. So back to the app. So once you have your key copied into the app, you don't have to order a key right away, but if you want to, they're only $55. And I mean, it's pretty simple as that. Like as soon as you scan your key, you'll see order new key. Just go to that on the app. It's $55. Pretty sure it's free shipping. In about a week, you'll have it's a 3D printed key, and this is what it looks like. Kind of looks similar to the regular key fob, especially this part. And this has your code to your side-by-side already on it. So guys, I really thought that was a super great idea and something that may really help you guys out. I'll make sure I include the link to the app in the description below for iOS and Android, so that it works on both. I haven't tried my key out yet to see if it works on my side-by-side. We'll go out here to the garage, and it's raining right now. I really haven't been able to do a lot just for the weather, and my allergies has been killing me. But we'll go out here to the garage and see if this key works. Alrighty guys, we got our 3D printed key from our Dooplicator app, and I haven't tried it out yet to see if it works or not, so kind of curious to see. So we'll put it on our key fob. Alright, now we'll try it out. So right away you see it says performance key, sport mode, and we'll go down our start button. Alright, seems like it works just fine. This exhaust is so awesome. Alright guys, key works. Alright guys, as you seen there, key works fine. 55 bucks, shipped to your house. You don't have to take your side by side anywhere. To me, I think it's a no-brainer. Even if you didn't buy a key, download the app, guys, and make you a backup of your key just in case. You never know. It's free. I thought it was pretty cool. So just let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd like to know your guys' thoughts. Also, too, guys, we've got some big changes coming to the channel. I think they're going to be pretty good. It just kind of might be a little process, and just bear with me, guys. But make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. And turn your post notifications on. Also, too, guys, follow me on Instagram at It's Cameron Norman. And I always kind of try to post updates on the Instagram channel before I do on YouTube. It just gives you guys an update of what's going on. So, guys, a lot of changes coming. Let me know what you guys think about this Dooplicator app, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.